Namaskarams. The auspicious Dhanur Masam is here. It's also the Tamil month Margazhi. It's believed to be the Brahma Muhurta of celestials, and it is apt time to worship the Paramatma Mahavishnu. In the deep south of Tamil country, in the town of Srivilliputtur, Andal, the divine poetess, was born in the Tulasi Nandavana of Rangamannar, a Vishnu avatar and the presiding deity of Srivilliputtur temple. She was found and brought up by Periyalvar, one of the most celebrated among the Vaishnavite saints known as Alvars. After she attained the marriageable age, when Periyalvar was searching for a groom, Andal used to say, "If you get me married to mere mortals, I shall not wish to live. I shall not allow you to do so. I shall get wed only to Paramatma." Whenever Alvar used to sing the glories of Paramatma, of 108 Divya Desams, and whenever he mentioned about Ranga, his divine form, and the beauty of his Tirumeni, she used to feel so mesmerized and shed tears of joy, and at the same time feel so thrilled. She, like the Gopikas of Nanda Gokulam, decided to get married only to Kannan and adorned herself with the attire similar to that of Gopikas, and would talk hours together like them and observed the Pavai Nonbu. Her Tamil is known as Godai Tamil. The Pasurams she composed were called Thiruvai Mori, and they were accepted by the Sangha Palagai of Madurai. Godai says, "Sangat Tamil Malai Muppadum Tappame." One who sings this garland of Pasurams in Sangat Tamil shall definitely get the divine blessings of Thirumal. There are 6 aspects to the Pasurams she has composed. They talk about Pavai Nombu, the observance of Pavai festival, going together for observing the Pavai Nombu with the friends, awakening Kannan, singing the glories of Kannan, preaching, and finally self-surrender, known as Sharanagati. Andal becomes the Acharya to Bhagavan himself for having taught him his own duties. The Shastras proclaim that a pupil can eat leftovers of his Acharya. It's for the same reason as to why Rangamana wishes to adorn the flower garland of Andal after her having worn it. This is conveyed by her name Sudi Koduthan Achiya. Just like gopis, Andal takes all her friends and others to observe the festival of Pavai, and having preached them the ultimate truths, helps everyone to perform Sharanagati at the lotus feet of the Lord to attain the eternal bliss of moksha. In Pasuram 1, Margazhi Tingal Madi நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் நீராடப் போதுவீர் போதுமினோ நேரிழையீர் சீர்மல்கும் ஆய்வாடி செல்வச் சிறுமியர்கள் கூர்வேல் கொடுந்தொழிலன் நந்தகோபன் குமரன் ஏறார்ந்த கண்ணி யசோதை இளஞ்சிங்கம் கார்மேனி செங்கண் கதிர்மதியம் போல் முகத்தான் நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் பாரோர் புகழ படிந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய், says Andal. Having decided to observe the Pavai Nombu, Providence paved the way for an auspicious day, and that was the month of Margazhi. Because after all, a month is a day to celestials. This month of Margazhi is very divine, as Kannan in his Gita says, "Amongst the months I shall be Margazhi." The Margazhi sky that is so beautiful with a full moon is the dawn of the day to all the devas. On an auspicious day like this, she along with her friends bathes in the river and sets out to meet Kannan and sing about him. Andal says, "Dear girls, you were earlier playing joyfully with Kannan, but after you grew up to a certain age, your parents stopped you from doing so. But now they've given you the permission to go with Kannan and observe this festival of Pavai Nombu." The young maids, looking bright and decked with full beautiful ornaments, set out in great delight, taking with them all that necessary for the travel. Our Ayurpadi is full of great herds of cattle. You are about to beget the rare treasures of divine communion with our Lord Kannan, who is totally blemishless. Before the birth of our Kannan, Nandagopa used to be very mild and submissive, but now he has become very strict and vigilant. The reason for this is because he doesn't want our Kannan to get hurt in any way whatsoever. He even drives away flies and ants with a sharp spear. You might be thinking that Kannan, who at present has such a tight security and luxury, might not be allowed to come with us to perform the Nombu. But don't fear. He is the little lion cub of Yashoda. Just as Kausalya has great fame for being Lord Sri Rama's mother, so does Yashoda for being Kannan's mother. When Kausalya could permit Sri Rama to go to the forest upon the request of a sage, Yashoda might not object us taking Kannan only for the observance of a Nombu. Is he not a lion? The Nrsimha Avadaram of Lord Srimanarayana? The beauty of his Trimeni, which is of color of water-bearing cloud, the beauty of his eyes, which look like a bloomed lotus, are mesmerizing and inspiring us to observe this Nombu with him. His face looks like a beauty-lit sky with Paurnami Chandra, full moon. His face is as powerful as the rays of the sun, which punishes evildoers. For bhaktas or devotees like us, he presents himself as a beautiful bright moon. So let us shed all fears and go with him and observe the Nombu. He shall provide great music in soft tones to our Nombu. Untannோடு உற்றோமே ஆவோம் உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்செய்வோம். Let us achieve the ultimate by worshipping Lord Kannan, who is none other than Sriman Narayana, and so come quickly, all of you, says Andal. மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால்.
மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் நீராட போதுவீர் போதுமினோ நேரிழை சீர்மல்கும் பாடி செல்வா சிறுமீர்கார் சீர்மல்கும் பாடி செல்வா சிறுமீர்கார் கூர்வேல் கொடும் தொழிலன் நந்த கோபன் கொடும் தொழிலன் நந்த கோபன் குமாரன் ஏராத கண்ணி யசோதை இளம் சிங்கம் ஏராத கண்ணி யசோதை இளம் சிங்கம் கார்மேனி செங்கள் கதிர் மதியம் போல் மூகத்தான் கார்மேனி செங்கள் கதிர் மதியம் போல் மூகத்தான் வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நாமுன்னம் பாவைக்கு வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நாமுன்னம் பாவைக்கு செய்யும் கிரீசைகள் கேளீரோ பார்க்கடலுள் செய்யும் கிரீசைகள் கேளீரோ பார்க்கடலுள் பையதுயில் பரமனடி பாடி பையதுயில் பரமனடி பாடி நெய்யுள்ளோம் பாலுண்டோம் நாட்காலே நீராடி நெய்யுள்ளோம் பாலுண்டோம் நாட்காலே நீராடி மையேட்டெழுதோம் மலரேட்டே நாமூடியோ மையேட்டெழுதோம் மலரேட்டே நாமூடியோ செய்யாதன செய்யோ தீக்குறளை செல்ரோதோம் செய்யாதன செய்யோ தீக்குறளை செல்ரோதோம் ஐயமும் பிச்சையும் ஆதனையும் கை காட்டி ஐயமும் பிச்சையும் ஆதனையும் கை காட்டி உயுமாறி உகந்தேலோரம் பாவாய் உயுமாறி உகந்தேலோரம் பாவாய்